The Trust and Estate Litigation Forum is run for the world of trust litigators. We are a collection of both litigation and private client lawyers from all over the world, operating, I think, probably at the sharp end of the industry, in the sense that we are responsible for managing the cases of the families and the institutions, the banks and the trustees.
I'm a litigator that also does fraud litigation, some insolvency litigation, as well as trusts. And the conference is really, I think, interdisciplinary in nature. So it's relevant for all of those practitioners. And I think there is a much larger cross-section of people now coming to the conference, as well as just pure trust litigators. It's also litigators in those other spheres.
I think in litigation, whether it's trust litigation or big money divorce, you often have to fight to protect your client's interests. But every good lawyer has one eye on reaching an agreement. And frankly, it's much easier to reach an agreement with lawyers on the other side who you've got a working relationship with or who you know.
When you're dealing with those types of matters, the quality of the relationships and the understanding and the trust between the people is really key, because these can be quite sensitive and difficult situations, and you must be able to have the greatest of trust with the people you're bringing in to assist.
The value of meeting other members of the global elite network is that you get to learn really the people, how they think, how they function. And this helps you when you have to look for a co-counsel in another country and other jurisdictions to set up a team for your respective cases.
In the person of Lord Richards of Camberwell, we had one of the great Chancery judges currently sitting in the Supreme Court speaking to us at some length. That for me was a serious highlight, not just of this conference, but of all the conferences really that I've been to.
I definitely think that these events make me a better lawyer. The discussion and debates are so insightful. All the experts are very willing to also share ideas and comments, and also to give you different solutions.
I think if you want to come to a place where you are going to meet the people who really are making decisions in each of the different jurisdictions, the people who are appearing before the judges in those courtrooms, the people who are seeing what clients want and how that's changing, and the people also who are developing the law in the sense of thinking about reform, thinking about what we need in our jurisdiction to mirror what somebody else is doing in theirs. All of those people are here, and they're here talking about those experiences, so that's the reason to be here.